Hey guys, what's up? So we finally got our first real look at the upcoming Insta360 X6, and honestly, this changes everything. These aren't just some random concept renders either. The highly trusted German site WinFuture just leaked the actual images and a massive chunk of the spec sheet. And if these leaks are true, Insta360 is not playing around this year. They're going completely head-to-head with DJI to build the ultimate Osmo 360 killer for 2026. If you've been thinking about buying a 360 camera, you need to hear this before you drop any cash. First off, let's talk about the look because the design is a massive departure from the X5. You know how the X series has always been that tall, slightly awkward candy bar shape? Well, forget that. The X6 is significantly shorter, wider, and way more compact. It actually looks almost identical in size to the DJI Osmo 360. This is a huge win because it's going to be way easier to pocket, easier to mount on your helmet, and just a lot more stable for action sports or travel. They also cleaned up the outside. Fewer physical buttons, a super premium textured grip, and a massive touchscreen taking up the front that hits an insane 1,200 nits of brightness. So yes, you'll actually be able to see your framing clearly under direct sunlight. But the real magic is what's happening on the inside. The leaked screen clearly shows 8K recording at 50 frames per second in full 360 mode. That perfectly matches DJI's flagship specs. If you're doing fast-moving stuff like skiing, biking, or motorcycling, 8K 50 means your footage is going to be incredibly detailed and silky smooth. And for night shooters, they're introducing Pure Video 360, which lets you shoot up to 8K 30 with massive low-light improvements. Plus, if you just want to use it as a standard action cam, the single lens mode now pushes a crazy 5K at 60 frames per second or 4K at 120 frames per second for those epic slow-mo shots. Now, how are they pulling off this insane image quality in a smaller body? This is the craziest part of the leak. Insta360 is reportedly jumping to dual 1 over 1.1-inch sensors. Think about the pattern here. The X4 had tiny 1/1.8-inch sensors. The X5 moved to January 1st, 28, and now they're pushing almost a full 1-inch sensor size. Each sensor is expected to capture at least 42 megapixels, meaning you can snap mind-blowing 120 megapixel, 360-degree photos. They're also throwing in 10-bit color, Dolby Vision, iLog for the color graders out there, and something called Adaptive Tone 2.0 to fix your exposure automatically when the lighting gets weird. It honestly feels like Insta360 is building this beast specifically to dominate the US market where DJI's latest cameras have faced some hurdles. Usually, when a camera gets smaller, the battery life takes a hit, right? Somehow, Insta360 did the opposite. Even though the X6 only weighs about 195 grams, they packed a larger 2,600 milliamp hours battery inside. That's up from the X5's 2,400 milliamp hours pack. On paper, their endurance mode jumps from 208 minutes all the way to 233 minutes of recording time. That is insane for a camera this powerful. But here's the catch. All this premium hardware is going to cost you. The leaks point to a European price tag of just under 700 euros for the standalone camera, which translates to roughly $750 to $800 at launch. If you want the essentials bundle with extra accessories, expect to see it closer to 800 euros. It's definitely a price bump, but honestly, for dual 1-inch sensors and 8K 50, it feels completely justified. So, when can you actually buy it? Well, looking at Insta360's history, they always launch a camera just a few weeks after it gets FCC approval. The X6 officially received its FCC grant back on July 3rd, 2026. That means we are looking at an official launch window somewhere between late August and mid-September 2026. So what should you do? If you have a massive vacation next week or client work that needs a camera today, just get the Insta360 X5. It's still an incredible tool with awesome stabilization and a proven track record. But if you can hold off for just another month or two, waiting for the X6 is 100% the smarter move. The compact Osmo-style design, The giant 1-inch sensors and that sweet 8K 50 frame rate are going to make this the most powerful 360 camera ever made. Let me know in the comments. Are you Team Insta360 or Team DJI for 2026? Is this spec sheet enough to make you upgrade? Drop a comment below, smash that like button, subscribe us. Oh, you don't miss the full review when this thing drops. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.